Welcome to Voiceless Unboxing. Today we are unboxing the new PS5 Pro. That comes with a power cable, HDMI cable, USB-C to USB-C cable, PS5 Pro controller, two same controllers, no difference in them, stand legs, and finally the PS5 Pro.
PS5 Pro. More powerful GPU, better graphics, 2 TB storage. Expandable to 6 TB. Enhanced ray tracing, higher price. Price, $699.99. PS5 Slim. Compact, lighter, 1 TB storage, expandable to 9 TB. Lower performance, more affordable. Price, for $99.99. Both have their own advantages depending on what you're looking for in a gaming experience. M.2 NVMe SSD.
HDMI cable, power cable, HDMI cable, power cable. Time to hook these up and transfer my stuff. PlayStation 5 vertical stand. Remove the screw cover. Make sure the stand fits snug and insert the mounting screw. Plug in all the power cables. And the HDMI cables. Turn on your PS5 Pro. Complete the console setup in your preferred way. Sign into your PlayStation account or create an account. Follow the instructions on screen on how to properly transfer your data. Before you transfer data, make sure both consoles are on and on the same Wi-Fi network. Right now, my data is being transferred by Wi-Fi. I'm going to cancel it and try through Ethernet cable. Let's try this again but on Ethernet cable.
To find the data transfer option, go to Settings, System, System Software, then Data Transfer. Using your Wi-Fi connection may be faster, depending on your Wi-Fi speed.
Now let's transfer my settings and my 2 games. All of my PS5 Slim data has been transferred to my PS5 Pro.
I can finally continue playing Astro's Playroom and The Sims 4. But first, let's play Astro's Playroom.